Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to add EMA on Thinkorswim. Open Charts, click Studies, then Edit Studies to access the Studies window and add indicators. Choose Moving AVG Exponential from the list and apply it to your chart. Adjust the length and source in the settings to match your strategy and time frame. Save a custom style to reuse the EMA quickly on other charts for consistent analysis. To add an EMA, start by opening Charts and entering the Studies editor, then search Moving AVG Exponential and add it to your workspace. Set the length, source, and color so it stands out against price bars. Apply the EMA to the right price axis or the main chart depending on preference. Use multiple EMAs with different lengths for cross signals and label each to avoid confusion during live trading or backtesting. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for durability and a lifetime warranty. They stay comfortable while you watch charts or trade. I use them when late sessions get long. They make a tiny difference that helps focus. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Customize the EMA by selecting your preferred length, color, and line thickness so it fits your trading style and time frame. Save the configuration as a custom study set so you can load it instantly on other charts or workspaces. Consider adding alerts for EMA crossovers to notify you of potential entries and exits. Regularly review your saved styles to keep them aligned with new strategies or market conditions for consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.